It's surprising how big the world is underground, and how soon you feel far from trees, fields, roads, and towns as you slither down shadows and flickers of light, into depths unconcerned with the day and the night or the passage of seasons, though storms reach inside. People spend their whole lives in the shaft of a mine for the sake of a coin disinterred somewhere else, in continual danger and faltering health. And I come here a tourist, to feel far from home. In a hole you keep digging. There's no life in stone.